So now we would like to come back here. So uh, I think it's more taking a time. So now we would like to do a vulnerability assessment using a Python script with AI. So this is more interesting. So where you can create your own Python script and that you can execute. So we already have as a shell.sh. Where is this? I just type as cat a shell.sh. Oh, sorry. Uh, cat. Uh, oh, sorry. I just forget. What is this? Uh, uh, cat is scan.txt. So where you have targeted IP address or everything. So now just type as clear. You just type as sgpd. You just put here as chat as a. Uh, I would like to put here as a scan code. You just put here as a shell. Now you just need to so sorry, I would like to create a code and you just need to put here as uh, create a Python script uh, to run a fast but compressive and nmap scan on the uh, IP addresses in scan.txt. That's great. And then execute. What do you need to execute? This vulnerability vulnerability scanning using a NICTO against each IP addresses. So this will take a lengthy time process in scan.txt. That's it. So this will take more than 10 to 20 minutes. So where it was written a Python scan. So this is written a Python script. You can look here as import as a process and define the nmap with IP address. Try a print a f nmap with nmap minus t4 version with IP address. Check if it true. Everything. So if you would like to try this one, I would like to put here as uh, what is a scan.txt. So it was written entirely here as a scan.txt. You just put here as nano uh, nmap.python. That's it. I just put here as uh, I just put here as control X. I just put here as I just put here as a clear. I just put here uh, as a Python 3 as nmap. Now it will automatically running because there is a scan.txt file. So it will running and executing a free command. That's it. And now you can look here in this case port 8044388080. That's it. Cloudflare with the HTTP proxies. That's it. So it's take lengthy time process. So that's why I don't want to could not find any DOM based access here. So this will also take a lengthy time process to execute each and everything. That's it here. That's it here. So we have not done anything else mistake from here. That's it. So we are executing everything is right way. So it will go a lengthy time process also this one because as a scanning will take a lengthy time process also. So we have already created with us a Python script. So you can create any type of source code. So that's no worries. So we have created as a Python script also here. We have executed everything. So this is that's it.